Hi guys, welcome back to our vegan channel. We've got a haul for you today.
Yay!
This is one of those videos where Maddie discovers what I ordered from Thrive and gets to pick through it.
That's always fun.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take the list away here so that you aren't tempted to peruse.
I don't think I would do that. That'd be pretty cheap.
Okay. We got a very hefty box.
Yeah, you got a lot of stuff in here.
We're not Spawn.
No.
This is just because we like Thrive. And this
Trying not to look down as I...
Okay. And this is what we get every month or so. Every month, every 2 months, or I don't have a set schedule of ordering.
Okay.
It's just whenever they have a good deal or something.
Alright! Laundry powder. It looks like Molly's Suds.
Yeah! Peppermint. Ooh. All of the power, none of the risk. This is the first time that I'm trying this. That's enough supposedly for 70 wash loads.
Yep.
Are those in, is that just powder or is it in little packets?
It's powder.
Okay, so you gotta scoop it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how I feel about peppermint. But we'll give it a go.
It's cruelty free.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yay! More soap!
Yeah, we were out of hand soap.
This is Myers.
We use that pretty much exclusively in the bathroom. In the kitchen, I just use dish soap. I usually just use the Mrs. Myers Clean Day dish soap.
I like this
but,
one.
Yeah, I wish they had like geranium scented
this is the lavender scent.
That's not my favorite. I do like the geranium or the honeysuckle better than that, but the Thrive doesn't have it in the hand soap in the big container. Oh, that was it already? You already spent that section?
Yeah, let's see
what
we got in here.
Whoa!
Ooh, a magic sponge cloth.
Not just one, 3. Can you believe it? So this is in place of paper towels.
Oh, good, good, good.
So if you've got a spill or whatever, use this instead of a paper towel.
This package replaces up to 45 rolls of paper towels. Machine washable up to 300 times.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we,
and pretty thick.
If they're good, I'm gonna get another pack or 2 and just keep
keep them in the rotation.
Yeah, throwing them in, you know, whenever we.
Gigi says he's into it. Yeah.
He said it's a great idea.
Okay, I'm not looking down.
Okay.
Ooh, jalapeno lime classico tortilla chips.
I have to say, out of all of the tortilla chips that I've ever had, these late July ones, the jalapeno lime are my absolute favorite, hands down.
Good.
We've had them many times before.
Oh, we have?
Yeah, you love them. We got them in we got them one time in the individual bags. Remember, like when we got like the 5 or 6 mix from Sam's Club, the natural one. They had like the salt and vinegar potato chips. They had those. They had.
Oh, okay. Then I don't think I ever had them because I usually don't eat things with like jalapeno.
Oh, really?
In the title. I'm not like a big spicy person.
Oh, but I think you'd really like those. They're not that hot.
Okay, then I'll try them.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I love these. The Lentils, dill, and sour cream.
Yeah.
So good. We got 2 of those.
You can't hardly believe that they're vegan, but they are.
They're so good.
They're so good. They don't taste like fake sour cream either. They taste like delicious.
They're very good. Ooh, what's this? Coconut flour tortilla chips by The Real Coconut.
This is something that I got for free.
Oh, okay.
That was one of the incentives. Let me just say, this order, I got 2 things for free. That was one of them to try. That just so happens to be vegan. And also I got 40% back in Thrive cash, up to $25. So I got $25 to spend on my next Thrive Market.
And the flavor is golden curry, just in case anybody's
Yeah. Try those later. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, what? Organic mango.
That was the other free item, and it looks fabulous, I have to say. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm excited to try that.
Yeah. I love mango.
Me too. Okay. Yeah, more gum.
Yeah, this is our favorite gum. I have stopped buying regular gum, and I have just gotten the pure gum.
I like to call it pearl.
I like to call it plur.
Yeah, plur gum.
Peace, love, unity, and respect gum. Plur, plur.
Okay. Oh yeah, we got an
That's for you.
Oh, I got an Acure Brilliantly Brightening Face Mask.
Yeah.
Let's just see what this looks like. This is excellent because I'm really loving the Acure
line.
Yeah.
You just started recently using the soap in a stick from Acure, the
My
face soap.
My face feels so clean after.
Yeah.
I'm really liking
Your skin looks great. You're killing it.
So this is the face mask. So
nice. Wait, it's not. There you go.
Give it a.
Oh, perfect. Nice.
Like a beauty guru.
Yeah.
I think I might try this like tonight.
Tonight. Whoa.
I was planning on doing a mask in the next few days anyway. So it looks like this is going to be a green one.
Yeah. I'm not sure if it's green, but it
says you'll look like a green sea monster.
Oh, really?
Green sea monster, yeah. I think
okay.
Okay. So I'm sure you guys will see it in the vlog if I end up doing it.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so Wild Blend rice.
This is like my favorite Lundberg rice ever. That's one of the first ones I've ever tried by Lundberg, and I still get it occasionally. It's expensive, but
I love a wild rice.
I do love a wild rice.
It's more exciting and more flavorful in each bite than just like plain white rice or brown rice.
There's more variety there.
Yeah.
It's a real 4th of July for your mouth.
Yeah. We got some creamers here for
These are my absolute favorite creamers.
You got some different flavors too.
Yeah, they're all, I think it's 4 different flavors, I'm not sure. They have these available at TJ Maxx in a 4-pack for $10, but they don't always have it, which sucks. And I think these are a little bit larger than the ones that they have in TJ Maxx, but these were $2.99 each.
You got your hazelnut. You got your original.
The thing that I like about those is that they're unsweetened.
You got your hazelnut. And you got your original.
Oh, so I got 2 of each. Yeah. Okay. Okay. They're really good. And they really taste like half and half in your coffee. So, good stuff.
We got some, alright, some more liquid aminos.
Liquid aminos.
Good, because we use this all the time.
Yes, instead of soy sauce.
Yeah.
I had thought that coconut aminos would do the same thing and like taste exactly the same like liquid aminos, but they don't. Did I do something wrong? I don't know.
No.
But I do love my liquid aminos.
What is this little burrito?
I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember either. Cans of
coconut milk.
Yeah, for red lentil chili.
Yeah. I'm gonna have
or for desserts.
Yeah. Well, we use like the coconut cream a lot for desserts.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go again. Can we get a drum roll?
Is that the last one? Oh no, you still got some more in there.
This is, hold on. Champagne. Reserve vinegar.
Champagne vinegar.
What? I've never heard of that.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Vinegar is typically wine that goes south. You know, that's fermented like, and it's sour. So.
For a second I thought you just got a straight up champagne.
No.
But that's fun too.
Yeah. I'm really excited to try that in salads and stuff.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Did I get 2 of those? Now I can't remember.
I don't know.
I might have.
You might have. We'll see what this is.
Maybe I'll give one to Granny. She was asking about white balsamic vinegar the other day.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yes. No. This is organic toasted sesame oil.
Ah, yes. For our bulgogi.
Yeah, we use this a lot too.
Ooh, we should have bulgogi tonight.
Perhaps, perhaps.
Yeah.
I think that's everything.
All right then.
We did it!
Yay!
All right.
Thanks so much for taking us through that.
Thank you.
That was fun. Because I had forgotten most of the things that I had ordered.
So it's like a surprise for you too. Now clean this up.
Who are you, Casey Neistat?
No.
Guys, thanks for putting up with us for however long this took. Let us know if you've tried any of the products that we've got, and until next time, much love.